Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write nothing. Now search. And you should install this application, what called Nothing X. Now open it. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. Then click get started, and if you wanna join it, you can join it. But I'm going to skip it by click at the later. Then click continue and allow. And we did it. In the next video we will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how, you can watch that video. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.